Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, November 26, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, November 26, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 26, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, November 26, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 180 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 160 million pesos for November 26, 2023, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Sunday, November 26, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.